Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be telling you how to create partition in ADSO. You may have seen that in the ADSO, if you click on setting, there are three tabs: general, details where we have all the fields, and the setting. And the setting we have the option called partition. So I will be telling you what is this partition used for and how to create this partition. So first let me tell you that what is the use of partition in ADSO. In ADSO we create partition in order to distribute the data into several layers. Suppose if I give you an example you have several months of data in the ADSO, and if you store or partition the data, then what happens whenever you are doing the analysis or reading the data from that table, then it will be faster, and it is recommended by SAP to provide the partition if the performance is slow, or also it is always good to use partition when you have a large table or large ADSO. So I will be now showing you how to create the partition for one particular field. So let me show you from the beginning. Suppose this is my three fields as of now. I have like company code and material and amount. But the partitions generally done on any kind of time characteristics. Suppose I'm going to add a new field. So click on add field. So I'm giving a name, suppose cal month. Then you have to fill this data type and all, and it is character, and everything will be same, and you have to activate it. And you need to remember that for doing the partition you have to maintain this cal month as a key field. So you have to go to manage and you have to take cal month, click on this add button here, and it will be, then you click on OK again, and then it will be added as cal month in your key. Then you activate this ADSO again. So once it is activated, now it is ready to create the partition on cal month. So let's get activated. Now we will go to the setting, and we have this option called browse. So here we can find these two key fields. There was one company code and cal month. So now we will be doing this on cal month, and you have this option called add. If you click on that, you will have option called lower bound and upper bound, meaning that this lower value and upper value you have to provide here. Suppose I'm going to create for 2020. This is my one value, and also you can create multiple range if you like to. Suppose if I'm creating for 2020, then you can create like 0 to 1 month, and then you can create like this, and OK. And here you can see that this value has been created, lower to upper bound. Now you have to create for multiple partition, like you have to again create from 7/2020 to 12/2020. And also now you can make multiple this kind of thing, like if you are going to store data for longer period of time, so you have to maintain the partition for longer period of time as well. Otherwise you have to do it again after a few days. So for safer person, you have to do it for at least 5 years or 3 years ahead. Suppose in this case you have to do it then again for 2021 to 06/21. Then click on, and also you can do it from here, okay, and new. So again we can do the same. Okay, just we modify that. It will be, we can click on edit in order to modify this. So it's a 2001 2021. Yes, and then 07/21/12/2021. And now again you can create the next value like 2012/22 to 06/20/22. So in this case you can define this all this partition, and it will be numbering as P1, P2 to P5. So you can create multiple all the partition for future days as well. So once you've done that, simply click on activate and your partition will be activated. So your all the data will be now stored in such a way that your main HANA table will be storing in this partitions. So the access, or if I talk about any kind of reading or writing, will be much faster than the earlier. So that's the way actually we can create the partition in ADSO. So if you have any question or any comment, please write in the below comment box. I will be happy to answer those. And also look into the below tutorials. I have given the links in the below description, which will give you much more knowledge on SAP. Thank you for watching this.